Ready to redefine your brush conditioning and cleaning process? 3M brand pad conditioner brushes offer 3M's proprietary non-tufted brush technology, where each bristle is independently anchored and evenly distributed across the brush surface to prevent particle collection and to improve bristle retention. These strong bristles remove pad debris from porometric and felt-based pads, and the metal-free polymer eliminates metal contamination and provides corrosion resistance. Used in CMP buff and pad cleaning applications, these pads offer easy connection to polishing tool and effectors and efficient pad cleaning and slurry distribution. 3M's research and manufacturing facilities around the world provide global capabilities, convenient technical support, and a dependable source of supply to support your process needs. Ready for a new way of pad conditioning and cleaning? Get in touch at 3m.com/CMP.